Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're stepping outside the usual beauty realm and reviewing a product that impacts your sleep, the Casper Sleepbox Spring Foundation for Queen Mattresses. Now, I know this isn't the typical makeup or skincare review, but trust me, sleep is just as crucial for your beauty routine. So let's dive in and see if this foundation is worth your investment. This foundation is designed to be the sturdy, supportive base for your mattress. It's engineered with solid wood construction and carefully positioned slats for optimal support. The dimensions are 59.5 inches wide, 74-inch long, and 7.5-inch high, which should fit a standard queen mattress perfectly. If you're wondering about the weight capacity, it holds up to 700 pounds, making it a solid choice for most users. It ships compact, so assembly is quick and easy, no tools needed. Plus, it's designed and assembled right here in the USA, with a non-woven interior and slat upholstery for a sleek, minimal look. Now let's talk about how it performs in real-life use. Personally, I was impressed by how easy it was to assemble. It literally took a few minutes and didn't require any additional tools. When it comes to the quality of sleep, the foundation provided excellent support. I've used it under a Casper mattress, but it works just as well with other mattress types. The slats are spaced about 4 inches apart, which ensures even weight distribution and reduces the risk of any sagging or shifting. One of the standout features is its versatility. Whether you're using it with a traditional metal bed frame, a slatted frame, or a platform bed, this foundation adapts without a hitch. Just remember, it's not meant to be placed directly on the floor. That's a small consideration, but if you're looking for extra height, you can pair it with a platform for an even more elevated setup. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the construction feels solid, and the slats are perfectly spaced for maximum mattress support. The easy assembly is a huge bonus. Who wants to spend hours wrestling with screws and instructions? Plus, its ability to support a variety of mattress types makes it a versatile choice for almost any bedroom setup. However, there are a couple of downsides to note. While the foundation is durable, it might not be the most budget-friendly option for those looking for a more affordable solution. And while the height works great for most, if you're after a really high-profile bed, you may need to pair it with additional height from a platform or frame. In terms of value for money, the Casper Sleepbox Spring Foundation is priced on the higher end for foundations, but it delivers solid durability and ease of use. Considering the support it provides and its long-lasting construction, I'd say it's justified, especially for those already using Casper mattresses or seeking something sturdy for their current setup. When compared to similar products, like the Zenith or Linen Spa foundations, the Casper does come at a premium price. However, its sleek design and ease of setup make it a strong contender. For those with a larger budget, it's definitely a solid investment. But if you're on a tighter budget, the alternatives could still offer decent support at a lower price. As for build quality and longevity, I've noticed no signs of wear after using it for several months, and the wood construction still feels as sturdy as day one. The slats are positioned to avoid sagging, which is key for prolonging the life of your mattress. If you need customer support, Casper is known for being responsive and helpful. They've earned a reputation for standing behind their products, so you can trust them to help out if any issues arise. Wrapping it up, if you're in need of a solid, reliable foundation for your mattress that's easy to assemble and offers long-lasting support, the Casper Sleepbox Spring Foundation is definitely worth considering. It may be a bit pricier than others on the market, but the quality is there and it's built to last. I'd recommend it especially to those who already own a Casper mattress or want something that will deliver reliable support over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and sleep lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've tried the Casper Sleepbox Spring Foundation, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.